So friends, today we are going to solve real and tonal sequence. What is real and tonal sequence is actually when you read this, you'll get, see when sequence, you know that repetition is a pattern which is repeated again. It's just that it is not at the same degree. It will be slightly up or down. Okay. You change the degree in that one. So in the what happens in the tonal or real sequence, the interval will be same. It will be the same distance apart in the real one, whereas in the tonal sequence the intervals will not be same distance apart. It will change. So if you can see here, this is the original one and the repetition one is the same. Here is the original one is this one and the repeated sequence one is the chain. So this is a tonal and this is a real. So this is a basic difference between both of them. So we'll straight away go to the exercises. So when you go to the exercises, you can see the first exercise given here. This is the main original pattern we are given, then the sequence repeated, and then there's the tonal and real. So let's find out. Let's solve this one first. So let's first check the patterns or sequence. So we can see this is start and this is here. Let's just quickly this one as a whole sequence. So we from here till here is one, the other one is here till here. Yep. So let's make this one. Okay, so in this one, so this is the original sequence. Yep. Now if we check the intervals in this one, you can see this is the note. If you read, this is a bass treble clef. This note is our B and this is our D, right? So from B to D, if we go according to our keyboard, so you can see from D to B, this is D to B. So we have this is B, 1, 1, 2, 3. So this is from B to D is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3 semitones apart. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3. So this is our minor third. Yes. Now if you see here, this is 1 to B to A. So B to C, sorry. B to C is one semipart. That is a minor second. Then again from C to D is major. Yes, so this is major second, and then you can go further. Now let's check over here. So this is our C note and this is our A note, right? So let's see, from A to C is 1, 2, 3. It is same. First interval is our minor third only. Second from A to B is a major second. So you can see from A to B over here is a major second, but over here from B to C it was a minor second and this is a major second. So that means this is a tonal sequence. Okay, so as a whole it's a tonal sequence. We will not write anything because this is the original sequence. Okay, remember that. Now let's move on to the next one. So if you go to the next one, sorry, let's erase this line. Okay, so now you can see this is our clef, treble clef, and this note is our D note and this is our E and this is F, right? Now here we have F, G and A. So from D to E is major second, E to F is minor second. Then if you go from F to G is major second and G to A is a major second again. So this is the original one. So this should have been same as this one, the major and the minor, but this is changed. So this is again a tonal sequence. Okay, remember that. Now let's move on to the third one. So third one, we can see this is our uh, treble clef. Let's make the sequence first. So this still here and here, yes. So let's make it down. Now, if you see the distance between this to this note is, this is our E, D, and this is our A, right? And this is again our F. Over here, this is G, this is C, this is E. So from D to A, if we go, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? 7 semitones. Now here from G to C, 1 2 3 4 5 semitones. So this is anyways from C to G, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it is same. Then D to F, 1 2 3, C to E, 1 2 3 4. So here again it's a major second, and here is a minor major third and minor second, minor third, sorry. So this will be a tonal again. Okay, so let's move on to the next page. Now in the next page you can see this is given, this is our bass clef. So let's go to the first, let's make the sequence first. So let's make it on the top. So let's go there, from here to here. Okay. Now, if you see, this is our note, this is our B, and this is our A, and this is our G, right? And again A. Now over here, this is A, this is G, and this is F note. So if you see the distance between B to A, if we go from B, yeah, this is a lower note, so we go from A to B is 2, that is our right major second, right? Now second is A to G, that means G to A, again a major second distance. Now check here, G to A we have a major second, then F to G is also a major second. So as of till now this is same. So from G to A again major second, and then A to B is again major second, and the last one if we check, this is our G to B. So we check from G to B, this is 1 2 3 4, this is a major third. Now if we check here, F to G is major second, F to G, then G to A is a major second, then A to, this is F, so F to A 1 2 3 4, this is a major third. So that means this is our real sequence, because the intervals are same as the original sequence. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Next one you can see is a treble clef, and here let's make the sequence first. Let's make it like that. Okay. Now we have, this is the original sequence, first interval, this is our A note, this is our F G A, again this is an octave, then this is our G, and this is our A, this is again A. So you have to see from G sharp, right? This is our G sharp. So if you see from G sharp to A, G sharp to A is a minor second, right? Now let's check this one, this is our B, so B flat, and from, if we see this one is 1 octave major, this is from B to B, B flat to B flat, then this is B flat to A. So let's check this from B flat, because key signature is here B flat. So B flat, A to B flat. So from A to B flat is again a minor second. Minor second, that means this is a real sequence. Okay, easy. Let's move to the next one. Let's create the sequence first. So this is how we're gonna make it. Okay. Now let's check. This is original one. So original one is from here, treble clef. This is B, and B to E, sorry, B to C is a semitone, that is minor second. If you see from here, this is our A to B flat. A to B flat is again a minor second. So this is our real sequence. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Next one we have this one. Let's go over here. Okay, so you can see this is same over here, this is the interval over here. So we go from, this is bass clef, this is our C, and this is our D, and over here this is our D, and this is E. Now we have to see, this is C sharp, because the key signature is there, you can see C sharp. So if you go from C sharp to D, C sharp to D, this is a minor second, right? Now if we go from D to E, D to E is a major second. So this is a tonal sequence, because it is not repeated as the first sequence, the original one. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Next one, let's create the sequence first. Pattern, the pattern, this is the pattern which is repeated again and again. Now here, this is the original one. Let's check the intervals. Let's see this note, treble clef. This is our F, and this is our A. So this is F sharp, because the key signature is there. And let's go from here, this is our E, and this is G, and then to F, F sharp, and this is G. So if you see from F sharp to A, so one F sharp to A, 1 2 3, this is our minor third, right? Next is from A, G to A. So from G to A is a major second, right? So let's check here, E to G, 1 2 3, this is minor third. Now F sharp to G, F sharp to G, this is our minor second, right? So that means this is a tonal sequence. Okay, let's move to the next one. Let's create the pattern first. So pattern, we're going to follow this pattern. Now you can see this is the interval. This note is our treble clef. This is E, C, this is B, so B flat, so B flat, and this is A. Right, now from here, this is our fourth line D, this is C, and this is B flat. Now let's check this one, B flat to C. So if you go from B flat to C, this is major second, then from A to B flat, this is minor second. Here C to D is major second, then B flat to C is a major second. So this is a tonal sequence, right? Because they are not same. Okay, now let's move to the next one, last three. So here we go. This is, let's check the pattern first. So here is our pattern. Now, so this is our original pattern. Let's check the intervals. Here, bass clef is C, D, D2, C, D, E flat, right? And then E flat to C. Now over here, let's check. This is our E natural, right? And then E F, and then E to D. So let's check this first. So we go from D to E flat. D to E flat is a minor second. Then C to E flat. C to E flat. 1, 2, 3. This is minor third. Let's check here. So E natural to F. E natural to F. This is minor second. And then from D to F. 1, 2, 3. This is a minor third. As of right now, this is fine. Like this one, this is our C and this is B. So B flat, because key signature goes to B flat. So C to B flat. So B flat to C is a major second here. Now let's check this, D to C sharp. So D C sharp to D. So here you can see C sharp to D is a minor second. So this is again a tonal sequence. Okay. Now next, let's make the pattern first. So this is the pattern. Erase this with the pencil. Now here you can see this is bass clef, this is D to E to F, and here if you go, this is E to F to G. Now if you see, let's go from D to E is a major second, E to F minor second. Let's go here, E to F is a minor second and F to G is a major second. So you can say this is not same. This is a tonal sequence. Yep. Last but not the least, let's see. Let's click the pattern first. So here we start this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you have to cover this hole here till here. We go from here till there, and then from here till there. Yeah, so this is our one sequence. one pattern, second segment. Okay. So this one, if you see, this is our bass clef again. This is our A. Then this is our B. Then this is our F. This is F sharp, and this is our G. Now here, if you see, this is G with A. Then here we have E. This is our G, and then E to F. This is F sharp because key signature says F sharp. So let's check this one now. First, we're gonna have A to B is a major second. Then F sharp to G is a minor second. Let's check here. G to A is a major second, and E to F sharp. E to F sharp is a major second. So that means this is a tonal sequence. Yes. So I hope you understood this topic. If you have any confusion, please comment me in the comment section, and please like the video. If you have any confusion, just ask me in time. Okay, just remember that whenever you're doing a tonal sequence, just keep it separate as two segments. First segment will be the original one, so you do not put anything on this one. So there should be, because see, don't get confused, because they have given three patterns here. The first one is the original one. Then from the second one, you show that this is the tonal order here. Okay, because here they have given only 2 2 2, so don't get confused. The first one is the original one, you don't put anything. This one, this pattern should be related to this one, so this should be following this one, not this one. This can be anywhere. Don't get confused, because sometimes people think, oh, it should be major 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 major. No, there's nothing like that. It can be any intervals over here, but this is the original one. This should be following this one. Okay, as a whole sequence, as a whole tone, this will call a tonal sequence. As a whole tonal, as a whole tonal, remember that. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video now. Till then, thank you guys.